Hello everyone, this is my presentation on the property condition assessment project. Okay, so for the first part, I identified three major issues. First one is shortages in staff, reduction in the workforce and inability to recruit skilled substitutes. We saw that that created major delays in conducting property condition evaluations. No staff. Some of the changes are staff training, bonus and incentives for the people that stayed, etc. The second one is requirements and scope discrepancies, because there's no consensus nor synergy between departmental subject matter experts and the project steering committee. The process became very difficult to approve. We saw that the project managers encountered many different problems that couldn't be solved. And then the third one is testing challenges and rework. The scope modifications and complete disconnect between department, SMEs, and project steering committees created unexpected issues. The project managers, as I said, they had to go back and redo all the work, creating even more delays. So the second part is the 8-step change model from Carter. The first step is that there needs to be a sense of urgency because of the 5-year delay in the property condition assessments. It's key to be able to get that across. Second, it's to form a powerful guiding coalition. That means appoint leaders with authority and expertise needed. That's why I said before that it was really important to create skilled workers. The third one, developing a vision and strategy. Clear vision and how's everyone going to achieve the desired goals. I think, as I also said before, there's a disconnect between the different departments, too many teams, and they all had the project managers encountered different problems because they all had different ideas. The fourth one, it's communicating the change vision. We have to use all methods and channels to make it clear to all stakeholders, top to bottom, something that didn't happen here clearly. There was too much confusion because of that. Number 5, it's to empowering others to act. I think that there has to be a supportive environment so everyone can act when needed. That's also related to the fact that workers, the ones that are staying and didn't get fired, basically have to become highly trained and how to feel confident enough so they can empower themselves and make those decisions. Then the 6th one, it's generating short-term wins. Not concentrating in the 5 years of delay of these evaluations, but in how much progress has been made since implementing new changes. That creates a sense of accomplishment, and the goal doesn't seem to be that far. 7, consolidating gains and producing more changes. Take the first win and create momentum. It's very important that, because it's a long process with so many moving parts, it's very important that that first win, in which department, doesn't really matter which department that first win comes from, but it needs to create momentum. And 8th and final, it's anchoring the new approaches in the culture. So by taking the best practices from previous and the new staff coming to solve this problem in order to create a new and more powerful culture. There is no culture at the moment, especially with people being let go and outsourcing this other company to come in and do these evaluations. The best way to do this is to create culture. That'll be the 8-step model.